Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial of NX. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component step by step. While modeling any component in NX, first start with the material addition feature, then go for the material removal feature. First I am going to create a cube. From that I am going to remove the material one by one. First I start with here, then I am going to remove material here and this slot. After creating these three steps, I will do the hole here and here. Then I will create this round finally. Now we will learn how to model this component in NX. Just go to the new. Here we have to choose the unit template. Our units are in mm, so millimeter, model. Here choose the location. My location is tutorial. Here tutorial-03. Just say OK and say OK. This is a window. For easy drawing, keep this software right side and keep this file left side. It will be easy to view the dimensions. Now we'll start drawing it. First we'll start with the rectangle and make extrusion. Go to sketch. Take the front plane. Just OK. Start with the rectangle with an height of 60 plus here one radius and here radius. All are having a radius of 20. Take a corner rectangle. Put on rectangle here and press the roller. Now this height is 60 plus this radius is 20 and this radius is 20. That means 40. Just click it here. This one is 40. Make it no. Press the roller. Now again this length. For this length, here it is 40, 20 plus 20. That means 80. Click it here. Change this value into 80. Press the roller. Now we just want to make this into be a symmetric to this both axis. Just click this one. Click this point and click this axis. Apply. Again this one. Click this point. Click this point. Click this axis. Just apply and OK. Now here you can see sketch is fully defined. Now we need to extrude it. See here it is showing 40. This value is actually 100. This is 60 plus here it is 40. Here it is 20 and here it is 20. That means 100. Just press the roller. Now finish sketch. Extrude. Make it symmetric. And total extrusion length is 12 plus 16 plus 16. 12. That is we can directly enter it also. 12 plus 16 plus 12. And press enter. Just OK. Edit parameter. This is 24. 12 plus 12, 24. 24 plus 6 is 30, 30 and 40. The dimension total is 40. Just say OK. It is automatic claim that only the formula is showing. Now we have extruded. Now we will start removing the material. First I am going to remove the material from the bottom. Select this. Go to the sketch. Select this surface and keep this one here. Say OK. Now just take a rectangle. Here we make it within work part only. Just click it somewhere here and somewhere here. Press the roller. Now we need to specify the dimension. From here to here it is 12. and this height is 20 plus 40. So just go to the, for specifying the dimension, select this line and select this line. You will get this dimension. Double click this value. This one is 12. Press the roller and double click this one, and this dimension is 40. Now it is fully defined. Press the roller. Just finish the sketch. Extrude. Just change the direction. Here we go for subtract. Here we make this into until next. Just save OK. Hide the sketch also. Now we just want to remove material here. For that, go to sketch again. Select the surface. Keep it here. Just save OK. Take a rectangle somewhere here and close it. Now we need to specify the dimension. This dimension is 40 and this height is also be 40. Or here we can specify the thickness is 12. Just go to the, select this line. Here make it part. Select this line. You will get the dimension. This value is 12. Press the roller. Now here you can see sketch is fully defined. Just finish sketch. Extrude. Change the direction. Make it subtract. And this is make it until next. Just save OK. Hide the sketch. Now we just want to remove material here. Go to sketch. Select the surface. Place the sketch one here. Just save OK. Take a rectangle somewhere here. Put like this. Now we just want to symmetric to this. For that, to create an axis, take a line. Instead, we can specify the dimension. This one is 16 and this side is 12 and this side automatically it will be 12. Need not to specify the dimension. Finish sketch. Extrude. Just change the direction. Make it subtract. This is make it until next. Save OK. Hide the sketch. Now we have completely created this feature. Now we'll go for the round with a radius of 20. Edge blend. Go to the edge blend. Select this edge and select this edge. Select this edge. Select this one. This one, this one, this one and this one. All the edges as the radius of 20. Just apply. Now we just want to make a hole with a diameter of 16 here, here and here. For that, just select this hole. Just rotate it here. To get the hole at the center of this circle, make sure you keep the mouse cursor in this arc. Automatically you will get a circle in this center of the hole. Just select it here. The radius of the diameter of the circle is 16. Here we make it through the body. Subtract. Just apply. The same hole you just keep it here also. This is same diameter is 16. You make it until next. Just apply. Just same keep it here. And select it here. Here until next. Diameter is 16. Subtract. Just OK. Now we have created completely. Now we just want to make small rounds here, here, here. For that, just take the edge blend, select this point, make a round with the 5 or make it 2. The same, you just put it to all the edges. Select this edge, select this one, select this one, select this one, that's it. Just press the roller to confirm, just say OK. Now the complete model is done. Just rotate if any features are missing. All the features are created. In this tutorial we learned how to model this component. In next tutorial we will come with the new component. If you like this video, please share to your friends and please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.